Chicopee, Spirit Lake, Grand Lake, Devil's Lake, Crater Lake, the Beach Lake. I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere.
All right.
Man.
Happy? As a qualifier to the circuit finals competition.
I've been everywhere.
Spotted Steer, Arizona Cowboy, California fans. Let's watch it.
Come on. Columbia River Circuit Finals coach and Cal Poly in front of you right across the way.
Come on, help him out. You want to what about the moonwalk? Do you feel like
Come on, Rand. Number 2 spot right now, even with the penalty. And our final driver coming in at 8-9. I need a little help way up here on the backside. There. Now you can get out since it's official. You know, a little early. You got it, Brawley. Wow. Okay, that didn't look good from our side. Thankfully, he's up and all right. That buffalo would wallow in the dirt like you're looking at, cleaning themselves. Shielded the bodies from biting insects. How about a nice welcome out here, if you would, to the one-armed bandit John Payne of Shiloh, Oklahoma. Look at this. He is riding a mule because there is no better animal to work a buffalo with than the likes of that mule he's on. Here's our first rider. We're talking about Jacob. Look at him ride. Come on, fast Jose on board. He's on a fasting one. Jose Miranda. This is Riley, the Duke career from Westmoreland on the Fierce Sheep. Watch it.